Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to learn text to columns in Excel in this video. Okay, so today we will talk about how to use text to column in Excel and what is benefit of this and where to use it and how to use it. Okay, so first how to split text to column in Excel. It can be difficult to work with a lot of text in a single column, especially if you want to use formula, work with specific part of the text. You can use it that formula, but it is not much easier. Okay, and while there are some complex formula that will help you split your text into new columns, it can take a longer time. It take a lot of time and not work all that well. Okay, so in that scenario, the text column come in the pictures. Okay, it's Excel great tool for splitting up text into more manageable chunks, and it's much easier than trying to work with formula to do same thing. It is much easier. Okay, so today we are going to see splitting fixed width the text and splitting delimited text. Okay, so you can use text to column in two different way, in two different modes. The first one is fixed width and the second is delimited. Okay, while delimited might be more useful, fixed width a bit easier. So we will start here. Let's talk about the difference first. What is the difference between the fixed width versus delimited text? Okay, so first we should know where it is. You have to go on data and here is text to column. If you click on that, you have to select something. Okay, if you click on that, see there is two options, fixed width and delimited. Okay, so we are talk about the difference. When you are splitting text to column, Excel needs to know where to make the splits. Okay, with the fixed width splitting, Excel splits the text at specific character counts. Okay, so it might split the text as a 5th, 15th and 27th characters. But delimiter splitting, on the other hand, take place when Excel sees certain characters. It might split the text every comma, tabs, or space that it finds. Okay, you can put the special character, okay, in delimiter splitting. So we will see with the example, so that you can clear it. Okay, so we have two types of example over here. We have year and the model. Okay, so what we are going to do, first I'll select this. Either you can click here the long cut, or you can shortcut is Alt D E. Okay, the shortcut is Alt plus D plus E. This is the shortcut for text to column. Or you can go data and click on text to column. Here I'll select the fixed width. Okay, and click on next, next, and here you can select general or text, and here I am going to give this cell, okay, the B2, and click on finish. See, the year is changed in B and the model in C column. Okay, got it? So this is the example for fixed width. Okay, now see, we have this types of data. Okay, so now we will see the second one. I'll select this and click on text to columns, and in this time I'll select delimited. Next, and if you see there is option semicolon tabs, by default is tab, semicolon, comma, space. If you select others, you can choose here like hyphen, asterisk, anything. But in this scenario, I'm going to select space. If you just click space, see here, wherever is find space, the data has been split. You can preview here only. Okay, and I click next, and here also I'm going to select text, and here also I'll select the B2. Click finish. See, the main data is remain the same. Okay, now see, we have first name, last name, the numbers. Okay, and this is the area. Okay, so I hope this is the text to column for delimited. So I hope you understood the both scenario, fixed width and the delimited text. This is very useful. You have, if you have a lot of data and you want to split that as per your convenience. Okay, suppose in this scenario only, if you have a within a data you have a comma or a slash, hyphen, you can use the delimited option. That would be better. Okay, so I hope you understood text to column in Excel, and if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. I will solve your query. No, you don't need to worry about this. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.